What's up, fellas? Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you watch this video, it's because you want to make money online. And then if you want to make money online, it's just because you want to help your wife and family to have a very good quality of life, which is something very, 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 very awesome. And you should keep up, buddy. Okay, guys, let's speak a little bit about making money online, okay? Okay, guys, as I told you guys before, the best way for you to make money online, it is for you have to put your product in front of your customer. Yeah, the more you put your product in front of your customer, the more money you make. This is why I told you guys that you guys have to promote a lot. You have to promote on internet, on Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube. You gotta promote it. The more you promote, the more chance you're gonna have the opportunity to make money. But okay, now there is one thing. Okay, you guys want to make money. Okay, so one of the best ways for you to make money, fast, it is for you to sell, how can I say, high ticket products, high ticket products. There is, well, you can sell also low ticket products. Let me explain. Like, for example, let's say, for example, a product that you're selling, it costs $10, okay? It costs $10. Now, if it costs $10, and you want to sell it, and let's say that you want to make, it costs $10, and then you want to make like a month with that product, you want to make a month, you want to make like $10,000. If it costs $10, yeah, this is a low ticket product. If it costs $10, then it means that you have to sell it to 1,000 people. You gotta sell it to 1,000 people. A $10 product, if you sell it to 1,000 people, you're gonna have $10,000 every month. Yeah, this is also good. But you gotta sell it to 1,000 people. Okay, but yeah, if it is a product that costs, for example, $1,000, a product that costs $1,000, and then you want to sell that product to $1,000, and then you want to gain $10,000 a month. So what you should do, you have to sell that $1,000 product to how many people? You only have to sell it to 10 people. If you sell a $1,000 product to 10 people, you're gonna have $10,000. Do you see what I mean? So this is why I encourage you. This is why I encourage you to sell high ticket products. Yeah, to sell high ticket products. Because if you sell high ticket products, the chance for you to make more money, it increase. But if you have the opportunity to sell, for example, both high ticket or low ticket, guess what will happen? You can make money anyway, and that is one of the biggest secrets. Sell high ticket products and low ticket products, sell at the same time. But as I told you guys before you start going and selling products, you have to study the product. Don't just go around and sell any product. No, you gotta pick up the product. You have to study the product. You have to try the product. You have to see if the product is good or not good. Do not sell products that are not good. Don't do that. Okay? Don't sell products that are not good. Because if you sell products that are not good, it's gonna damage your reputation. Sooner or later, people, they're gonna start to say that they shouldn't buy products from you, and if they don't buy products from you, you're gonna lose money. Sell high ticket products and low ticket products. You gotta sell it both. If you have the opportunity to sell it both. Okay? You can go around, check. You have to go around. You have to check on YouTube. Check many of those. How can I say, those masters that are very good on YouTube. See what they are what kind of products they are selling, you know. When you see the kind of products that they are selling, you take a look at the product, you try the product, you know. Take a look at buy the product, try the product, understand the product, you know. Understand the product, and then you see if the product is good or not good. And then you can recommend it to somebody else, you know. And like I say, for me, good products, you know, are products like, for example, that you have the opportunity to receive a training, a live training, you know, a consultation. Those products are very good, you know. But there are many products you can go and check it out, okay? And check it out. Some good products are there on ClickBank, you know. But on ClickBank, you know, you have to, how can I say, you gotta definitely see if the product is good or not good. You have to try a lot. You have to do a lot of investigations, okay? Okay, guys, you know, high ticket and low ticket. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, write your comments below, subscribe to my channel, check the link below so that you can learn to make money online in a very effective way. And share this video, write the comments, and let me know, okay? Ciao.